Greetings of the day. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is arrays in C. So when it comes to array, let's discuss a basic principle behind introduction of array. Suppose uh, when it comes to one or two variable, there is no problem. We can declare one variable, two variable, three variable, no problem. But when we need to store a group of elements of same kind, like suppose if I need to store marks of these students, and that too for 100 students, then it become very difficult to declare 100 different variable. Finding names to the 100 different variables is a bit difficult, and then reading data into 100 different variables and then printing data from these 100 variables is very tedious. So to solve such problem, C programming has introduced the concept of arrays. Array is nothing but it is called user defined data type. You must have seen list in your day-to-day life, list of items, or suppose list of marks, uh, list of medicines, list of roll numbers, like that. So array is, what is an array? Let's see it with this. It says array is a user defined data type to store group of data of same type. So we all know that if I need to store integer data, then array will be of type integer. If I need to store group of float data, then that array will be of type float. And of other kinds also, we can have array of character, we can have array of integer, we can have array of float, we can have array of doubles, or sometimes when it goes to higher level, we can have array of structures also, right? So types of array, when it comes to types of array, so there are single dimension array, means one dimensional list, single list, and beyond one dimensional list, we call it multi-dimensional array, right? So either we say we can have single dimensional array, or beyond one dimensional array, we call it multi-dimensional array, right? So see this here, you must have seen here. Let me show you with the help of pointer. This is how to declare an array. So this is integer, means type of array. This is the name of the array, and this is the size of array. So if we go in detail, means this marks array is going to store 10 elements of integer type. Clear? Similarly, when it comes to second declaration, this its data type is character, its name of array is name, and size is 20. Means now this name array can store 20 characters. Double, then next third one is double type. Its name is salary, size is 10. Means now this salary array is able to store 10 salary values, right? So these all are of type single dimensional array. Here we'll learn how to initialize array. So see it here. Let's take an pen. This is int, its type of array. This is the name of the array. Here at the time of initialization, we have missed the size. No problem. What will happen? This is first element, second element, third element, fourth element, fifth element. Compiler will assign size 5 to this array based on number of element. There is no problem. or this is the second type of declaration and initialization for any array, where you can decide, you can put the size plus you can put the elements into that array as initial value. Then this is a two-dimensional array. This is data type and this is name of the array. This is number of rows in the array and this is the column. So row, first index is for row, first size is for row and second is for column. So this is first row, second row, third row and fourth row. And in each row there are three elements. This will denote three columns. The total number of element 4 into 3 means 12. So 3, 3, 3 and this all will be 12. Second type of declaration plus initialization for 2D array, where you are not telling the size of row, size of column. But this way you are able to tell size of row and size of column. Size means number of row and number of column. So this is first row, second row, third row and fourth row. This is again 4 row and 3 columns. Why 3 columns? Means in each row there are 3 elements. That's how it is 4 into 3. And this is another type of declaration where you have declared this is number of row 3 and number of column 4. Number of row 3, number of column 4. This is first row, this is second row, this is fourth row. And total number of elements or in each row is 4 and that is equal to number of column. Clear? So 3 into 4 is 12 again. So that's how you are able to declare plus initialize any array in C. Maximize this. So see it here line by line. So here everybody knows that this is Ponyo. This is stdio dot. We have included it. This is main with no return type. This is beginning of main. This int I is a normal variable, will work as a counter for running the loop. And this mark is a integer type of array. Its size is 10. So we have taken, this is the basically this example. In this example we have in this example which we have created, it will read 10 numbers from the user and then will print the same. And think with the help of array it is possible to store 10 elements in a single variable, and it is only possible if that variable is of type array. An array is also called user defined data type. So this line will print a message to the user, enter 10 number. This for loop will begin, will start with 0, will run up to less than 10 means 9, so 0 to 9 means this will run 10 times. And this line will print enter first number, second number, like that. It will keep on increasing. And why I have done I plus 1? Because I is beginning from 0. So first time it will print enter first number, second number, likewise it will print up to 10. And every time will enter value will be read by this particular line of code. Scanf %d means it will read integer data and will be stored and mark I. I is the location of memory in an array, because this mark is a big variable able to hold 10 integer data. This I will tell us the location. So first time it will store first element at first location, then second location, third location, fourth location, like that. Then after this we'll clear the screen and then we'll print this message number entered by you. Again we'll need to run loop from 0 to 9 and this will print message like first time it will print first number, %d will print value of I, So I plus 1 is 0 plus 1, that is 1, and here will print the value at that location. So mark this value of I is 0. It will locate the first location of the variable, or you can say that first portion of integer data. Clear? Because that mark variable, mark is an array type of variable. Mark is divided into 10 parts, and every part is of size 2 byte, and each location of 2 byte is able to store one value of integer type. So this mark I is first time will point to the first location. Next time it will point to the second location, third location, fourth location, likewise. So finally it will reach to the last location, and you will be able to print all 10 values. See it here. Let us run it. Control F9. So it is saying enter 10 numbers. Enter first number. I'm going to enter say 2. This will go to the first location in the array. Then 3. Second location is filled. This will go at third location. This will go as fourth location. This will go as fifth location. This will go at sixth location. This will go at seventh location. This will go at eighth location. This will go at ninth location. This will go as 10th location. So now that array variable whose size is 10 is completely filled by all these 10 numbers one by one, and inside array all the elements are contiguously allocated. Contiguously मतलब एक के बाद दूसरा, ठीक है ना. Inside memory, whenever we declare any array variable, all the that complete memory size for that array is contiguously allocated, means it is one by one, no random allocation of memory. Now see, whatever number we have entered, now it is printed in front of you. So that's how this array is working. So keep in mind, whenever we need to work on group of data of same kind, we can use arrays, right? So this was the example, and I hope you are able to understand it well. Again, I will request, please like and subscribe my channel. That will motivate me a lot. Thank you so much for watching.